Hello guys, my name is Hiteshi and today we are gonna talk about like what is success. So as we all see and watch the videos of how to be successful and how to be that person which is being respected by the society and all the things. But do you ever heard of what is your definition of success? So yeah, so today's our topic is what is the success. As we can see that the definition of success differs from person to person. For me, being successful is being available to my parents, to my family, whenever or wherever or however they will need me. So this is my definition of success. If my parents need me, I will be there. So as we like go along with a society or like talk to our friends and talk to the people, so everyone has their own definition of success. Some of you may want to be billionaire, some of you may want to have that job, some of you may wanted to be like the officers of A grade. So this is all like this all depends on your point of view. So what is success? So success is not what others crave from you. Success is something that you crave for yourself. So being successful doesn't mean that you ought to have do the things according to your parents or ought to have do the things according to the societal pressure. Being successful means that you are doing all of it by yourself, you are doing it for yourself. So just keep in mind that you have to be successful in your own eyes. You don't need to be successful for the others. You don't have to do that job to be like successful or to feel like successful. If you are not willing to do that, just go and leave that things. Be someone or be the kind of successful you wanted yourself to be. Like for me, the success is like having a house at a farm and having my animals around. Or for someone it can be like having a house which is like which will have swimming pool or anything. Like what I'm saying, that my dreams of being successful or my definition of being successful is completely different from my own sibling. So as we can see, the definition of success is different for everyone. So you have to do only one thing. You have to find your own definition of success and work towards that. You don't have to be feel pressurized about the definition of success of others. Be the person who knows its or who know his own definition of success and work toward that. That's how you will be successful. Thank you.